Hello, what's up everyone? This is Kyle from viatravelers.com and the Via Travelers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Carl Frederick day-to-day backpack. Here's what it comes in, and you can check it out. A very clean, simple logo, simple box. Let's open up this backpack and see what it has to offer. All right, so the Carl Frederick backpack that we're going to look at is in black. This is a premium backpack that's known for its durability and functionality, and then good for, of course, everyday use. It comes in a beautiful carrying case here, as you can see in the box. And then let's open it up. This little pouch as well. As you know, I love reusability, and this carrying case itself could be used as a packable item for any clothes on longer term trips if you wanted to put it in your carry-on luggage. So I love seeing things like this. Definitely don't just throw something like this in the trash. Let's open it up, take it out. And then here you go on the outside. And let's take a look at all the different options within the backpack and for storage and for purposes of travel. All right, so not only this, it comes in a great little carrying case. You get a letter as sort of a way of showcasing the product. And then, yeah, instead of tags, you have a very, very cool and sleek, minimalist, modern design of just the explanation of the product and the product care guide. With Carl Frederick, all products are guaranteed for life. So that is a huge pro of a backpack and a premium backpack of this nature. All right, so my first impressions, love seeing the nylon exterior, great for different weather conditions. Plenty of storage on the sides, and it comes with some packaging basically in here, so you can see how much you can store in here. Let's take some of that out just so you can see it, without it's fully packed, because you may not have that much stuff in there. The outside has a latch here that you can open and then store, kind of like a duffel in a way, or a duffel pack, where there's this large storage. There is, obviously, if you're in very inclement weather places, yeah, there's a very, very large opening, or even just safety and security. One concern you might want to be mindful of is, the easeability of somebody accessing this. So there's not much like sealing here for this part of the bag. Love the minimalist design, just a sleek monogram of the branding on the buckle itself here. And this is just adjustable. Let's see how we can pull this off. So then that can be completely opened. So there is some tightening that you can do here to tighten it up, but there still is plenty of exposure. A sleek, minimal monogram on the interior here. Okay, so looking at the dimension, the backpack itself is 30 centimeters wide, 42 centimeters tall, and then 19 centimeters deep on the sides, giving this 24 liters of capacity. One sort of downside to consider is the fact that it is 1.5 kilograms in weight, so it is a bit on the heavier side. But you can see with premium materials like the nylon makes it lighter, but then you have nubuck leather. And one thing that you can see on the base, and I love seeing this, is the sturdiness of standing the backpack up. There's a nice base on the bottom here, all leather lining on the outsides. A couple things to consider with the backpack, but it is premium materials. You do have extra weight just with the buckles themselves. That's a good thing about everyday use. This wouldn't be something that necessarily go backpacking with, but a good weekender bag or even a daily use bag. In terms of organizational storage, there's 11 different compartments. So you can see one here, then you have another on this side with small storage here. And then you have, in addition, two, again, on the other side. And then one side full zip here for additional storage on the side. Then if you flip it all the way over, which is cool and interesting, the way that they've designed this is you have that one storage and then a 16-inch laptop sleeve on the other side, and it's on the side rather than the top. And then on the top you have a very, very open wide space, so I'll let this sit here with the base. And then you have a zipper on the interior within here. An additional storage. Here's actually another sleeve that you could use for your laptop, and that may be the actual 16-inch laptop sleeve. A zipper here. As I think about it more, I absolutely love this open top because you can pack a significant amount of items for a weekend trip. This could be your packing case right within here, and so you could pack enough for a weekender trip and then have all of your secure items stored away in zipper locks. In terms of comfort and padding, there's significant padding, as you can see from here, and then an additional back padding right here in the mid section of the backpack. Nubuck leather on here, and you can see and hopefully kind of feel in here just sort of the amount of padding that you have on the straps. That's huge if you're carrying, using the full 24 liters of capacity and then carrying heavy items like a laptop. And then this, obviously, if you do have a carry-on suitcase, super essential to be able to set this on there. I've seen other backpacks that have not had this recently. One downside of the backpack is, as you can see and tell, there is no carrying spot for an external for a water bottle. Having a reusable water bottle as you're traveling on the go, and while you're walking, if you're doing that old-fashioned kind of reach around to grab the water while you're on the go, this does not have that. Having reusable water while you're traveling, for me, is something that I love. So that's one big downside that I would say just with this backpack. So here I have a MacBook Pro. I will try to pack it in here so you can see just how this would fit for a laptop within these two compartments. One here on this side that fits quite easily and nicely, so you can zip it in. And then, as you can see, they have an internal sleeve here. Let's try to give it a go in here. We tossed it right in this sleeve. Fits quite nicely, and there's plenty of room, right, for other items. In terms of taking care of your product, of your backpack, given that you do have a premium leather, it is suggested to apply resistant leather finishing on the outside. It's definitely hand wash only. There can be scratches from the leather, but given that it's leather, you can brush it out, and so then a benefit of having leather coating and protective cleaner at your disposal. Definitely do not put this in the machine wash, but it is nylon exterior, so it should be durable for the long haul. Overall, love this backpack. It's at a higher price point, so you may want to consider other options. I love the versatility for both personal travel, but then given the design of this, it also is an excellent choice for business travel, work travel, and its design, and then also the different organization options are stellar and plenty of storage, like I have said, in the main compartment. Another downside is the unique style of the storage and no external option for reusable water bottles. But it is a unique storage, different types of storage and organizational parts within here. So overall, this is a great backpack. I love the design. Very glad I have it. Cannot wait to give it a try on the cycle in Amsterdam. This is Kyle from Via Travelers signing off. Be sure to watch our other no frills travel product reviews and destination guides from our trips around the world. Check out viatravelers.com for our full review of the product and to see us testing this in action for our next trip. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.